Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmanini. I am from class T3B TBI. Okay, here I want to explain about vowels and consonants. Okay, the first is vowels. Vowels are divided into two. The first is short vowels and the second is long vowels. Short vowels are I, U, A, E, and for the second vowels is long vowels. They are I, U, A, O, Okay, for the first vowel is E. For example, live, live, lip, lip, drink, drink, sit, sit, tip, tip. And for a short vowel is U. For example, foot, foot, put, put, good, good, full, full, cook, cook. And for long vowels is U. For example are blue, blue, full, full, group, group, fruit, fruit, food, food. For the long vowels is E. For example, cheap, cheap, sheep, sheep, scream, scream, team, team, heel, heel. Next is short vowel A. For examples, fun, fun, mud, mud, love, love, blood, blood, mother, mother. For the long vowels is A. For examples, heart, heart, march, march, bar, bar, father, father, start, start. Next is short vowel A. For examples, ball, ball, north, north, south, south, door, door, walk, walk. Next is A. For examples, gut, gut, not, not, mop, mop, what, problem, problem. Next short vowel is A. For examples, common, common, butterfly, butterfly, accuse, accuse, father, father, alone, alone. Next is A. For examples, bad, bad, happen, happen, animal, animal, family, family, cat, cat. Next is a. For examples, bed, bed, pen, pen, head, head, red, red, friend, friend. Okay, the last one is For examples, learn, learn, burn, burn, hurt, hurt, first, first, word, word. Okay, now let's start to the consonants. Consonants are divided into three. The first is vowelless consonants, second voiced consonant, and the last is other consonant. The first consonant is vowelless consonants. P, T, J, K, S, Sh. For the second is voiced consonants. B, D, J, G, Z. Okay, the last is other consonants. E, W, Y. Okay, the first consonant is P, P. For examples, pack, pack, happen, happen, full, full, pretty, pretty, please, please. Next is J, J. For examples, teacher, teacher, match, match, church, church, rich, rich, lunch, lunch. Next, K, K. For examples, lucky, lucky, sick, sick, clock, clock, kiss, kiss, like, like. Next, for examples, forget, forget, different, different, laugh, laugh, phrase, phrase, find, find. Next is for examples, thin, thin, though, though, another, another, healthy, healthy, thought, thought. Next is for examples, soon, course, sound, sing, song. Okay, next is sh, sh. For example, sheep, sheep, sure, sure, nation, nation, fish, fish, show, show. Next is b, b. For examples, bag, 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 hobby, hobby, habit, habit, job, job. Next is d, D. For examples, day, day, height, height, mood, mood, idea, idea, dress, dress. Okay. J, j. For examples, judge, judge, change, change, orange, orange, jeans, jeans, bridge, bridge. Next is g, g. For examples, dialogue, dialogue, egg, egg, example, example, again, 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 again. Next is v, v. For examples, verb, verb, vine, vine, view, view, very, very, television, television. Next is z, z. For examples, bother, bother, breathe, breathe, mother, mother, weather, weather, another, another. Next, z, z. For examples, zero, zero, music, music, rise, rise, lazy, lazy, always, always. Next, z, z. For examples, pleasure, pleasure, vision, vision, usually, usually, occasion, occasion, invasion, invasion. Next, for examples, make, make, marry, marry, mold, mold, woman, woman, almost, almost. Next is for example, wonder, wonder, enter, enter, man, man, fan, fan, down, down. Next is for examples, ink, ink, bank, bank, monkey, monkey, distinct, distinct, junction, junction. Next is for examples, house, house, hat, hat, here, here, hurt, hurt, honor, honor. Next is for example, listen, listen, lips, lips, last, last, below, below, altar, altar. Next is for examples, right, right, roll, roll, read, read, art, art, park, park. Next is w. For examples, way, way, where, where, work, work, wake, wake, between, between. And for the last consonant is y, y. For examples, yes, yes, yet, yet, yoke, yoke, you, yak, yak. Okay.